Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to delete Starlink Mesh Node. So if you're removing one of your Starlink Mesh routers, then just follow along. First, open the Starlink app and then go to the section where your network devices or mesh nodes are listed. Then select the mesh node if you want to remove it. Then choose the option to remove or delete the mesh node if it's available, and confirm the action when prompted. After removing it from your network, unplug the mesh node if you no longer plan to use it. And if you're replacing it with another mesh router, you can add the new one afterward through the Starlink app. So that was how to delete a Starlink Mesh Node. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.